Hi guys, this time I will tell you about the tool set I took with me. So in a moment I will tell you what was working, what was not working, it should be interesting for you as well. So guys, very simple rules about taking things for the long trip. First you have to take care of yourself. So first you need to stay warm. That's why you need lining, you need warm gloves, and you need to warm clothes. So I think the most important. Secondly, you need to stay dry. That's why you need rain clothes, and you need to have rain gloves. I'm using Vanucci winter, which are quite okay in case of winter and in case of rain. So you are dry, you are warm. The third one, you need to stay hydrated, and I'm using here camel pack, which is my water on the go. On my back comes 2 liter here. It's a special lock here, and then you have to stay nourished, so I'm carrying Snicker bars with me as well. So that's about yourself. Any other topic, you need to have the whole first aid set, which is 1.5 kilo of medicaments, like bandages, like disinfection, like plasters, like gloves, like mask, and so on. Then you need to take care of the bikes, and also 3 basic rules. You need to keep the bike rolling, so you need to have tools to fix the tires. So you need to have tubes. They should be talcum powdered already there. You should have spare valves inside and also spare lock on it. Then you need to have tools to air the tire. So I'm taking usually electric one, and I'm taking also manual pump. And then you need to take care of the electricity. So you need to have a spare spark plugs, otherwise the bike will not roll. Then you need to have a tester to check where is the electricity, where is no electricity. And then in case of the other stuff, you need to have the whole set of tools. So one by one, slowly about tools. Electric pump, you charge it with the battery. You have it for almost of your route. If you fail it, if you don't have energy, you have manual pump. This time I took Mini Morph, which has this flexible cable here, and you can really open it and pump it with your hand. So you see, it's really fine device. Then from electric stuff, you need to have fuses, mini fuses, of course, for Tenere 700. Then you have to have a spark plug with a tool to unscrew it, and then from electric part you need to have a tester to find out where is the electricity. Then of course the next one is lighter, then different torque tools, then plastic zip ties for any reasons. If you use plastic zip ties, then of course you need to have duct tape, which is a perfect universal solution. Then I'm carrying caliper with me to measure how much of the chain I need to still tighten. Then screwdriver, different keys, then torque wrench. Torque wrench I should not take with me because you can do it manually, but because I'm that type which is unsure if it's tightened too much or too less, that's why I prefer to carry them and have a peace of mind. Then the glue, universal one, to all the types of plastics. Then levers to the tire with especially here you can see I have a key to open the valves here, pliers, multi-torques key, then universal knife, then of course cable repair set, then clutch lever. Brake lever I don't carry with me because if it gets broken, I can break the back wheel and I can still use one finger and break the front. Then power bank, then special Rally Ride tool, which is 3-in-1. With this tool you have the rear wheel nut, you have the front wheel axle with this one, and inside you have front wheel pinch bolts you can open. So 3-in-1 key, very fine stuff. Then I have patches to the tube and glue inside. Then rim protectors against the scratches of the wheel. Then I have a special tool which is called trail jack, with a special strap to stress the brake lever so that the front wheel will not move. So I can move the front wheel up and back wheel up with this one. This is only 400 grams, not 5 kilo like a central stand. Then for security, for safety reason, I have an Oxford tool set, just in case. Then another brake lever. This one is with plastic inside, so it does not scratch the rim. Talcum powder I'm not carrying because I'm powdering my tubes inside the vacuum bags. And gloves to do all the works. That's it in case of tools. If you like my video, please subscribe.